and then
touchdown.
Well, I'm just saying we can do it with primary just because of where the launchers are, where the G's, other shelter, and we'll try to get it. It might happen more so with the P. So if you wake me up like, Gary, hey, we'll just get you done, Clay. She's just like, nah. It's a pretty gnarly layer now. They might have to punch through the layer and just, yeah, you guys can launch through it. I would say just, hey, get a request through the SWO. Let's see what, yeah, I'd say about 2K up. So I don't know though. It's, so I don't want to have them like launching it.